Maheshwar. Maheshwar means what? The one who knows more than you is a Maheshwar. Ishwar is the God giver, and he should be ready to give. That is true. That it is Ishwar is God again. And gods are always giving. He should be ready to give. The one who doesn't give is not a God. So this we have to remember. And Maheshwar means he has whatever which is more than us, and that he is ready to give. So continuously we should be eager to learn. This process is very important as a meditation process. And the society is very big. So many forms of gods. We say Janata, Janardhan. There is a very nice word in Sanskrit or in Indian language. Janata means the community or the society, and Janardhan, that is the God. So Jana and the God together. So the God is always in the distributed in everybody. Therefore we say Sahasra Shirsha Purusha Sahasraksha Sahasrapata. That the Supreme God, Supreme Person has 1,000 heads, more than 1,000 heads, more than 1,000 hands, more than 1,000 feet. Is it possible to stand on 1,000 feet? These are all 1,000 feet. These are all 1,000 heads. And we should be ready to serve them. We should be ready. Because Master, without serving, nobody will give you anything. So you should be serving and learning. Serving and learning. So join with the community. This we start at the community end and slowly integrate together. People, they say, you look to the breath. I say, and what do I do? So it is the yoga. We want to be together with ultimately Him. Here, a point. And we must learn to be together. I have no division with anybody. The other day we were saying, this duality means two. And you become one out of this. And this process we must do in meditation. And then lastly now, the experience is a total peace. Is it everything, you are merged with everybody. At the moment, you are different than me because you have different likings, I have different likings. But when you tell me anything what you like, and I say, oh, I also like, then you will start thinking that are you seeing in the mirror, or she is seeing in the mirror, or what? Because everything can be same. How it can be same? You merge together. That is the yoga. Yoga is not to bring two hands together. By bringing the hands together to experience the energy inside, what happens when two things come together? What happens when a man and a woman comes together? So this learning of yoga, universal experience which we take, oneness with everything, is one criteria. So in that we start with Som, Om. And Om is very important because first of all it is the sound of that Supreme, the vibration at our level. Like the sun has started giving a particular wavelength. The frequencies are very high, I don't remember the figures. When it comes to me, it is a white light, or it is a green light, or it is red light. At my level, it is to understand that there must be something coming, otherwise not. So like this, the sound is only the basic, what you can say, of spandan, vibration. And from that the wave starts going aloud. And when it comes to our level, we listen to it, and that sound is the humming sound, isn't it? We say hum is coming when they are recorded. We today wasted a lot of time, humming was coming. From where and how, nobody knows. So the Om, those who want to learn, they have to listen to that hum and reduce your own hum. Yes, you understand what I mean? The hum is a word here. In English, that is a sound, hum. And in our language here in India, we say main. Hum. हम चलते हैं. अरे कौन तुम और क्या चलते, निकलो ना भाई. यहाँ क्या चलते है, हम यानी है क्या? This hum has to go down. This I has to go down. This humming of your own ego has to go down. and listen to that hum. So when this Om is there, what we are doing is that we are now coming back to our first point, charging our batteries. Inside our cells are to be charged. And without prana, they will not be charged. People say that air is with oxygen, therefore we are alive. This myth in this scientific world don't carry. Because if somebody dies, you bring a cylinder and give oxygen. Look if it gets up, he gets up. Nothing will happen. Oxygen is not our life force. Oxygen is a vehicle. The car has come and then I saw 100 my car. But Balaji has not come surely because I am here. The empty car. Inside if Balaji had come or my brother has come, my sister, my wife, somebody, then the work can go further. But we are waiting for somebody and the car comes empty. Like that we are first of all without oxygen taking empty cars. Please understand. There is nothing, even not running. Means what? This air goes and there is so much pollution, so the oxygen is less as it is. And then you are, like that it is going. How much fast you are breathing? Why? Continuously excited, continuously depressed, continuously you are not quiet at all. And therefore the empty car goes and empty car comes out. At least the driver should get down to tell that sir is not coming. कोई उतरा ही नहीं बीच में से. Some automatic cars. Therefore, when we take the breath, we have to hold it and communicate with him. Means look to it inside. And as if you are talking or as if you are experiencing he has come. And allow him, if the boss has come, allow him to come inside. So if the prana is there, he will be absorbed in the body cells and you will get charged. Otherwise, if you do, therefore the Dirgha Shwasan means long breath is very easy to recharge. But long breath is difficult. So best way is to sing Om. When I sing Om, the breath goes out and then it is, now here it should go from the whole body, this entire compression, armpits, body, everywhere. And say Om. Om. So meet and discharge, meet and absorb the energy and discharge. Then only you don't have to do big kumbhaks and so much. Sometime we have to, there is some insect or something was there. Then I remove my shirt and make this jerk. Huh? Same jerk you give to your system once or twice in between or 3-4 times and say. So the accumulated impurities, they are discharged and gone. Again the lungs are active and they become more hungry because in between now they did not get anything. So only this, or if you can increase the pressure, then when you take and say, bring it up here. And otherwise you only do both the things you learn. But it's simple. Main thing is that you sing Om. Don't hold nose, nothing. If you want to, you can do. But if you 20 minutes sing Om systematically, means every time somebody should look and say, this time the stomach did not go in, then your 1 minute is gone. It should go. Shrinkage is very important. But throw all the impurities out. Unless you become empty, nothing will come in. So this is the principle and this is the warming up also. When you sit down, put the light, 5 minutes you look, or first you sit down and make Om, or then you see the light. So this is the beginning, what we can say warming up and also looking to Om.